In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a design in Canva to your Squarespace website. Let's dive right in. We'll start by heading over to Canva, which is a fantastic design tool that offers an array of templates for different needs. Once on the Canva homepage, go ahead and log in if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, you'll want to choose a design that you either already have or you can create a new one, depending on what suits your project best. Now, with your chosen design open, navigate to the top right corner of the screen and locate the Share button. Clicking this will reveal various sharing options. What we're interested in here is the Embed feature, which allows you to seamlessly add this design to your website. So go ahead and select the Embed option. You'll be provided with an HTML code. Click Copy to save this to your clipboard. Next, let's shift our focus to Squarespace, where we're going to embed this design. Log into your Squarespace account, and from your dashboard, you'll need to select the page where you'd like to add your design. Once you're in the page editor, look for the section labeled Add Block. Click on this, and a menu will pop up with various options. Search for and choose the Embed block. With the Embed block added to your page, click on it to open its settings. Inside the Settings menu, locate Edit and select it to proceed. In the editor, you'll see an option labeled Code Snippet. This is what we'll be using to input the embed code from Canva. Click on Code Snippet and then hit Embed Data to open a text box. Now it's time to paste the code we copied earlier from Canva. Right-click inside the text box and select Paste, or use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on a Mac. Once your code is in place, it's always a good idea to take a quick preview to ensure everything is displaying correctly on your page. After confirming that everything looks as expected, the final step in the process is to save your changes. Simply click on Save to ensure your design is now part of your Squarespace page. And there you have it. You've successfully embedded a Canva design onto your Squarespace website. This method opens up a world of creative possibilities for enhancing your site with custom graphics and visuals that elevate your content. As always, feel free to revisit steps if needed, and happy designing.